So today with male cooking, we will cook a recipe from this cookbook, but with a twist. Since our male host cannot speak and doesn't understand Japanese and does understand English, I will instruct him to cook this recipe only in Japanese. So we will see if he will manage to do what he's supposed to do. So he only has the ingredients and he doesn't know what he will cook yet. He did ask me multiple times, but I decided not to tell him. But you will know before him. So we will cook this thing. It's really popular in the movie. And this is actually, if you remember the scene, and we decided to cook this. So we will see how it will go. I might not talk only from the recipe point of view, how it's written in the book, because maybe that won't help anyway. So I will try maybe to instruct him somehow. But the only thing that he will know is the name of the ingredients in Japanese. So maybe he will remember them and we will see. So let's go.
So,
じゃあ始まりましょうか。
what? What?
始まります。
Huh?
始まります。
Huh? So,
じゃあ
I will mix the butter with the sugar, so I...
違います。
What?
全然違います。
Milk?
違います。じゃあ初めてはストーブに何が乗せる。これは違う。いやこれは違う。まあいいでしょう。いいです。大丈夫です。で何が乗せますか。これじゃない。こうやってだけ。これではなくて別のもの。じゃあこれではなくて別のもの。違う？いや合ってた。でこれではなくてこれは最後に。
She'll hit me with a pan, I'm for sure.
でこれではなくてこれに使うでしょ。
Okay. Yeah, perfect. So, it will be an edit of an earthquake for sure. I need to get this thing so I can.
けど
get it.
だって
そう
はい。で今はバターと牛乳を入れます。
What is you?
忘れましたか？牛乳はミルクです。
Here.
いや違います。中に。いや違います。違います。あそこの中。そう。でバターも。
Okay, done.
混ぜます。今は混ぜます。
Mas. Mas.
はい。そう。いやだって熱いじゃないでしょまだ。
So hard to understand. Ooh, the butter is buttery. Ooh. So don't play with food. I'm not a good example. We are waiting for the butter to melt. I need 1 or 3 more minutes. We are ready. Or at least I think so. Yeah, we are ready. Now?
じゃあクリームに入れます。
Here.
そう。
All of it.
はい、全部です。
No idea what is that.
はい。じゃあ入れましょう。
Okay. She didn't tell me to stop, so I didn't stop. My ex did the same thing.
で、砂糖を入れましょう。
This? Here?
そう。
Yeah, okay. So, sorry. Ah, screw it out. We need to clean. I don't think the flour is enough for cooking. You know from the last video, no, for the first video with me, that I want the 6 cooks everything faster and it's yummier. And you have more time to enjoy it. It's fizzing, or I spilled there something, no idea. But I'm still mixing. Mix. I'm not bad, I'm not good mixing, I'm very bad. But that's a boy thing. You can ask her, I spilled it again. Is it ready?
I will ask only one question in English now. What do you think we are cooking?
Pudding.
No.
It's so creamy. It's sticky. I have actually no idea. What is that?
どうだろ
What? How much time do I need to cook it?
う。できてるまで。
10 minutes.
違います。
Those pretty much yes. Do I need to mix it all the time?
はい。
Ah,
しょうがないでしょ
no idea what you said. Okay, since we need to mix it and cook it for 10 minutes, how many minutes did we cook it until now?
いや、私、10分って言ってないでしょ
That was 5 minutes, or 6, or 7, or eternity. No idea. I don't think that the ingredients from our country have the possibility to do such a thing. And mixing it, and mix it, and mix, and like that until tomorrow. Am I cooking it?
はい。
It still was the same. I'm complaining every minute. I know what it will be. It will be a genie.
違います。焦げてないなんか。
Yeah, if it is an animal, I spill it. Ah, I hate myself. It's more spilled than cooked. How is this possible? What did your mother told you when she saw the first video how I'm cooking a curry?
おもろいなーって思いました。
Did she laugh?
あんまり笑ってないと思います。
Okay. I understood you 100%. I don't have the patience, that's the problem. Every time that I cook, I put it here and I let it to cook itself because, yeah, I don't like to stay 10 minutes and stir it like a mixture, like a mixer. So I can make it like that and rotate it and spill it all over myself. You can edit this with a double speed. It's bubbly.
大丈夫で
It's
す。
breathing.
はい。
Now, I think it tries to talk to me.
多分4ではなくて3の方がいいと思います。あそこ。そう。
Is it alive?
いや違います。
How much do I need to stir it?
まだ。
Mother. Mother.
いやまだではなくてまだ。I will say only one more thing in English that I have to clarify because he doesn't know what we're cooking. He might
Everything.
manage to do this, but I'm still hoping. So we will see.
I will tell
But-
you only that we bought one ingredient that was not supposed to be bought. So, I mean, it was supposed, but not exactly this one. So, if you ask me, I will give you a little bit information. We needed a whipped cream, yeah. But we bought cooking cream because in Germany they don't like sweet things and we need to improvise.
Not that they don't have it here, but I have to clarify that the store that we went to didn't have any whipped cream.
Ah.
いやもう少しでできてます。
She said, oh, 1-2 minutes more. What is this? How do I need to clean this? It's brown. Is it supposed to be brown?
はい。
Oh, okay. It's sticky, so it's hard also. How hard it is.
よいしょ。じゃあバーン。
I hate my assistant. She's not assisting me very well. She's traumatizing me. How am I supposed to clean this? Ah.
熱いでしょ。
Yeah, do it.
美味しいですか？
こんにちは。It's sticking to my teeth. No teeth.
じゃあ、
Teeth.
今日のレシピは大失敗です。ですけど、見てくれて皆さんをありがとうございます。